Welcome back to FactifyChannel. Today, we're exploring top 10 interesting facts about space. Let's start with number 10. The universe is expanding constantly. Scientists have found that galaxies are moving away from us. This discovery was made by observing the light from these galaxies, which shifts toward the red end of the spectrum as they move away. This phenomenon, known as redshift, provided the evidence for the Big Bang theory. It means that the universe began from a single point and has been expanding ever since, growing larger and larger every second. At number 9, we have Olympus Mons on Mars, the largest volcano in the solar system. Olympus Mons is about 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers, high, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is about 370 miles, 600 kilometers, in diameter, roughly the size of the state of Arizona. This massive volcano formed over billions of years due to Mars lacking tectonic plate movement. Without plate tectonics, the lava could pile up in one spot, creating this gigantic structure. Number 8 brings us to the Sun, the massive star at the center of our solar system. The Sun's diameter is about 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, and it has such a huge volume that you could fit around 1.3 million Earths inside it. The Sun accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. This immense size and mass mean that the Sun's gravity controls the orbits of all the planets, keeping them in line and maintaining the structure of our solar system. At number 7, we have the surprising fact that space is closer than you think. The boundary of space, known as the Kármán line, is located just 100 kilometers, 62 miles, above Earth's surface. This distance is less than a 2-hour drive if you could go straight up. Beyond this line, the atmosphere becomes too thin to support flight, and conventional airplanes can't operate. This boundary marks the edge of Earth's atmosphere and the beginning of outer space. Number 6 is all about the exciting discovery of water on Mars. Recent discoveries by NASA's rovers and orbiters have found evidence of ancient river valleys and lake beds on Mars. This suggests that liquid water once flowed on Mars's surface billions of years ago. The presence of water is crucial in the search for life, as all known life forms require water to survive. At number 5, we have the fascinating neutron star, remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. Some neutron stars, known as pulsars, rotate at astonishing speeds. They can spin up to 60 times per second, and the fastest known pulsar spins around 700 times per second. These rapid rotations occur because the star's core retains its angular momentum as it collapses. Number 4 reveals the mind-boggling scale of the universe. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Scientists estimate there are about 1 septillion stars, 1 followed by 24 zeros, in the observable universe. This vast number of stars means countless possibilities for planets, moons, and life. The sheer scale of the universe highlights how tiny and unique our solar system is in comparison. At number 3, we have the strange case of Venus, where a day is longer than a year. Venus rotates very slowly on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. However, it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. This means that a single day, one rotation, on Venus is longer than its year, one orbit. This slow rotation contributes to the extreme heat and atmospheric pressure on Venus, creating a harsh and hostile environment. Number 2 is all about Venus being the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus has a thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This dense atmosphere traps heat through a runaway greenhouse effect, causing surface temperatures to soar to around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat makes Venus the hottest planet, capable of melting lead on its surface. And finally, at number 1, we have the fact that space is completely silent. Unlike on Earth, where sound waves travel through air and water, space is a near-perfect vacuum. Without air or any other medium to carry sound, space is completely silent. Astronauts and spacecraft rely on radio communications to send and receive information because sound cannot travel in the vacuum of space. This silence is a stark reminder of the vast emptiness of the cosmos. Thank you for exploring these fascinating facts about space with us on FactifyChannel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Until next time.